In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set y-intercept equals 0 on Google Sheets. Start by picking an empty cell where you want the result to appear. This cell will hold the slope for a line that is forced to pass through the origin, which is ideal when theory or measurement design dictates that y should be 0 when x is 0. With that cell selected, type the linist function. You'll begin with linist, then highlight your y values range. Add a comma, and highlight your x values range. Make sure your x and y ranges have the same number of rows and contain only numbers. After the x range, add another comma and type 0. That third argument tells Google Sheets to force the intercept to 0. You can also use false here if you prefer. Close the parenthesis and press enter. The value returned is the slope of your y-intercept line. In other words, it's the m in the equation y equals mx when the intercept is fixed at 0. If you only enter the function in a single cell, Sheets will show just the slope, which is typically what you need for this constrained fit. If you later want more regression statistics, the linist function supports an additional argument, but for a simple slope through the origin, the setup you just entered is enough. Next, let's visualize your data. Select the two columns that contain your x and y values. Then insert a chart and choose a scatter chart so each observation is plotted accurately. In the chart editor, open the series section, enable a trend line, and choose linear. Turn on the option to display the equation by setting the trend line label to use equation. And also enable R² so the goodness of fit is visible on the chart. Keep in mind, the built-in trendline calculates an ordinary linear regression by default, which may include a non-zero intercept. Your linist result with the third argument set to 0 is the slope for the special case where the line must pass through 0. If you need that exact constrained relationship, use the slope you calculated to interpret or report your model as y equals slope times x with an intercept of 0. That's it. Thanks for watching.